Hey, are you ready to get started on math now? Let's look at our first two problems together. Now what we're doing right here is we're looking at our word problems and we're going to come up with a solution. So if you need scrap paper, go ahead and grab yourself some scrap paper because your fill in the blank is just the answer, not a subtraction sentence like it was yesterday. So let's look at it together. It says Ollie made a book with 12 pages. 8 of the pages had a panda on them. How many pages did not have a panda on them? So what are we looking for? We're looking for how many pages did not have a panda on them. So let's read together and see if we can find how many pages total there are. Ollie made a book with 12 pages. So how many pages did the book have in total? 12. So if you've got your piece of scrap paper, go ahead with that. And your first number you're going to write is 12. 1, 2. 8 of the pages have a panda on them. How many pages did not have a panda? So if 8 did, and we're trying to get to how many did not, do you think we should add or subtract? You got it. We should subtract. So it should be 12 minus, and then what number do you think should go right here? Way to go. You're right. You should put the 8 right here. 12 minus 8. Now what's 12 minus 8? Do you have it? Yay! You got it right. It's 4. So how many pages did not have a panda? 4 pages. Way to go. Let's look at our next one together. Nova has a total of 12 letters. She has opened 4 of the letters. How many of the letters does she have left to open? Now, we have a blank in letters, so do we need to write our whole number sentence here? No, we're just looking for the answer, so you're going to need your scrap paper for this too. Now, she has a total of how many? 12. So we'll write down our 12, and we're trying to see how many she has left to open. Now, how many she has left would be how many that are opened or unopened? Unopened, you're right. She opened how many? 4. So she had 12. She opened 4. Should it be adding or subtracting? You're right. It should be subtracting. So we'll put our minus sign into 4. Now, 12 minus 4 equals what? 8. Very good. 8. So our answer is what? 8 letters. She has 8 letters left to open. Good job. Way to go. Can't wait to see it in my next math video.